the Whisker family. We're gonna do slime today. And I've had Hadley here, which they're here.
Okay, so first we're gonna take our glue, our whatever glue you want. So show, what is this glue? Show them this glue.
This glue.
School glue, white school glue, or can I see this? Can we show this one?
Clear glue.
Yes. Okay, so pour some in your bowl. Just pour a little bit. You can keep going. I'll tell you when to stop.
What about me?
Doing good. Got it, honey?
2 many ones. Is this enough?
Keep going.
What about me?
Ooh, Hadley's almost ready. Okay, you're just there. Perfect. Now stop.
Okay, stop.
Okay.
This won't come out actually.
Can I help do it?
No.
No, that's perfect.
Oh my god, this wasn't as low. It's magic liquid right here. And we're gonna pour a teaspoon of it. Oh, let's do it. That's enough. My turn. Here.
I'm just saying, I was just gonna ask you, where were your milk? I don't know.
That's enough.
That's good. Pour it in.
Okay, mix. It seems fine.
Okay, now you're gonna want to add your colors.
2 by 2?
That's all you need. No, that's perfect. Oops. That's okay.
That's gonna be very red.
Yeah, it's gonna be very red. Okay, now next.
Aliya's is gonna be more pink.
Yeah, it's gonna be very red. It is very red.
You lost.
I wouldn't mind if you light red.
It looks like blood or ketchup. It's in ketchup.
And one more.
I have this one. Should I do it?
It looks like ketchup. Yeah,
Red.
it's pink. Mine is very ketchupy.
Catch.
Ketchup. Ketchup slime. I don't want ketchup slime.
You like scoot it over a little bit so I have blue.
Okay.
Now you're gonna add your. Be careful, there's some loose ones in there.
Do you want to do the different ones, Aliya?
I'm gonna do
This type of wall?
Keep mixing.
Like this type of setting?
Is mine okay?
We surrounded it with my little circle. Leah's is getting close here.
Is mine left?
So do you know why yours is a little different than Hadley's, Aliya? You used the white glue, which makes yours more pink, and she used the clear glue, which makes hers more red because it picks up the red more. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are we done?
Almost.
Now?
Okay, try to touch yours now, Aliya. Here. Is it too sticky still?
Yeah.
Is
Can I
it?
put
Okay.
some baking soda?
Yeah, I'm gonna get.
Oh, now it's turning light. It's getting the whole stack of it. It's not sticky anymore. Not that sticky. Can I hold?
Yeah.
I need a little bit more.
Oh, this is shit. I feel like I have ketchup in my hands for 1 minute. This is weird. Ugh.
Wow. Thanks for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. Bye.